Hi everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, the place where I try to build the coolest and most versatile Excel tools that hopefully will make your life just a little bit easier. Today I want to show you one of the most popular products in our website, which is an Excel tool that calculates miles driven per state for any list of trips. This is important and used especially in the trucking industry where the miles driven by state are used for IFTA and fuel reporting. So breaking down the trip miles by state is especially crucial for these regulatory purposes. So first let me tell you what you'll need in order to use the tool and how it works. So the purpose of the tool is to create the easiest to use tool of its kind. Again, as all of my tools, it is built in Excel, and as such there is nothing to install. All you'll need is a desktop version of Excel in your computer. You'll also need a Google Maps API key that's free of charge to get, and I have included in the description a video on how to get the Google Maps API and how to set that up. Also, it's important to note that Google Maps allows for 40,000 calculations free of charge every month. And the combination and the power and versatility of Excel with Google Maps API allows us to put together this wonderful tool. So let me show you how to use this. First, we open the tool, which is similar to opening an Excel file. We just do that by just double clicking on it. We do have a sheet named settings where you can enter your API key, and again I've included a video in one of my other videos on how to set that up. In the main sheet where we'll be working, we will want to enter or copy and paste your trips for the time period we are calculating the miles for, whether that is your quarterly trips or really any other time period. You can enter these trips manually or you can copy and paste as we do in Excel. Also, another thing to mention is that the type of address is quite flexible. We can enter cities, zip codes, and obviously for best accuracy, we want to do full addresses. But since we're using the power of Google Maps, it will give us that flexibility to use and even mix and match the different types of address formats. So that's a great plus compared to other tools that where most of them just do mainly zip codes. And again, at this point, we've entered our API key, we've copied and pasted our data, our to and from data, whether it is 10 trips or 10,000 trips. All we have to do at this point is click on calculate, and the tool will do the rest. As you can see, it is generating total driving distance, driving time, and also driving distance by state. We can click on each result for the breakdown. In order to summarize the miles driven by state for all the trips listed in this sheet, we can click on the summary button, and the tool will summarize those trips for you, as you can see in the example. And it's as easy as that, folks. Hope my tool will save you one less headache for today and make your life just a bit easier. Unlike most software providers out there, I run a small company. Again, my name is Vinny, and I try to help small businesses be more efficient. After 13 years helping clients mainly in the logistics business, I've seen and solved most logistics problems out there. If you feel stuck and have a problem that automation or maybe some custom software can solve, please don't hesitate to reach out. My phone and email are out there in the description. Would love to help you with any automation and software needs. Until next time.